Hey, do you ever wonder what we're doing behind the scenes? Today, we're going to give you a sneak peek. Hi, it's Donna Robertson. Today is Sneak Peek Day. We order fabric, we get in sample fabric, we make quilts. We're busy in between videos trying to get ready to bring you the latest and the greatest. And today, we're going to bring you a sneak peek at some gorgeous new quilts that we've made with upcoming fabric. But have no fear, you get to be the very first ones to see this. And if you sign up, you'll get the notice as soon as the fabric gets here. So, with no further ado, let's get started. First of all, the book that we're using for the first couple of quilts is Fast and Fun. You can get this book free if you buy 3 kits, any 3 kits off of our website. Just put the name of this book in your comments section and select the book deal whenever you order. So, let's get started. The first sneak peek is this gorgeous black and white quilt. I love this one. And it's just such a fun quilt to make. This one's called City Lights. It's 2 simple blocks. These are squares. This is like a 4-patch, and then you make a 4-patch out of the 4 patches. So we just had fun with that. And then the big block will show off your flowers. Now this one is going to be coming in, we hope, very soon. But we will have, to start with, we just got enough that we have just a few kits. So you can check that out right away. The fabric is gorgeous. And as I said, these are new motifs. This line is called Illustrations. This is your focus fabric. Your largest print goes in your largest block. And then we have a light and a dark. Now notice this one does have directional fabric, but you can, if you'll pay attention, you can make sure that your flowers all go the same direction if that's important to you. So you're going to be making strip sets, and when you make the strip sets, just make sure that you sew one of the strip sets with this on the top and one on the bottom. So that's your number 2, and then your number 3 is this gray mottled kind of a fabric. It's called Grunge. So this particular kit is 8021438. Illustrations. City Lights is the name of the pattern. Fast and Fun is the book, and it's only available in this book, Fast and Fun. If you want an alternate pattern, then we are recommending Stepping Stones, because any 3 yards will work with any of our patterns. That would work well for you. Okay, the next one that we're going to show you is called Park Place. Park Place is from Fast and Fun as well, and it has a bordered block, and then it has a rectangular 4-patch. So this one is really cool. I love these colors. They're kind of an unusual color combination, but it would definitely work with my decor because I love blues and greens. So the remainder of the kits that we're going to be showing you are going to, this is how you can sign up for them. If you check out that last one that we showed you, if it says no longer in stock, this is what you do. You'll get a notification as soon as the remainder of the fabric comes in. Just visit fabriccafe.com, search for the kit number or the name of the kit that we show you. Click on the email me when this item is back in stock, and then you will get an email as soon as we add the kits to the web. It will immediately email you and let you know that those kits are available. Okay, so this particular one, the focus fabric is here. That's the number 1 fabric. That's going to go in these blocks and in this block. And then your number 2 fabric is this great aqua color. And again, I've told you so many times, I like using stripes to border and to put in the border and also in the sashing around the individual block. And it works perfectly when you do that. You don't have a lot of stripes that you're trying to match up. And then this is your number 3 fabric here. So we have these gorgeous fabrics, and the kit number is 8021439. and it is Cottage Bleu. Park Place is your pattern, which is only available in that book, Fast and Fun. But an alternate pattern would be your Easy Street. And Easy Street is a great one from the Easy Peasy book. Okay, the next one that we have is, this one is called Lickety Split. And it's put together so fast, and this is a directional fabric, but I show you in the book how to deal with that directional fabric. Now, if you have any bird watchers out there, we kept it real subtle, but you can see the same exact print in this particular one, but giving you the subtle changes. I love, love, love this one. And then we've got it bordered with this nice black print as well. Okay, this particular one, you've got your birds on this one. This one's called Bird Watching. And then you've got your gray, and then you've also got your light color. And then your last one is this botanical print. These are really nice. I like those a lot. We have 8021440, Bird Watching. Lickety Split is the name of the pattern from the book Fast and Fun. It is only available in the book, so if you need an alternate pattern, we're recommending the Tic Tac. It has two big 10-inch blocks that will alternate the two colors of birds for you. Okay, the next one is that Tic Tac pattern that we just showed you for the birds. Here it is, made up with these great gardening utensils and wheelbarrows, etc. It's kind of funny, but I was just out working in the garden yesterday morning I was working in the garden, and the birds were just singing, and I was down there pulling weeds. But it sure does make it easier to pull weeds when you got birds singing in the background. Okay, so here we have our focus fabric, and then our number 2 fabric and the number 3 fabric, so you can see how they all play so well together. All right, gorgeous, gorgeous fabrics. Look forward to this one coming in again. Now remember, we're doing sneak peek. We won't have this fabric when you see this video, but they'll be in as soon as they get to Moda. They will send them to us. So here's your fun garden paraphernalia. This is your wildflowers. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I can remember gathering little violets and things like that when I was a little girl. We'd go out in the woods and collect wildflowers. And then our number 3 fabric is that great purple. So this is a super kit for those who like gardening, a great gift. 8021441. Violet Hill is the name of the kit, and the pattern is Tic Tac. That's also available in Easy Peasy. So if you like this particular pattern and you want to buy 3 kits, you can get the book Easy Peasy and get that pattern included with the sizes. 1 kit makes a lap quilt, 2 will make a twin, and 4 will make a king queen. Okay, what can I say? I love this one too. It's back to my aquas. I love this one, and I think it's really cool because this fabric is is it called Evening in Paris, Midnight in Paris. And if you'll look closely and use your imagination, it looks like the street lights with the little circles of light pooling underneath them. You've seen it in the artist pictures and renditions, but I like this one. This particular quilt is called Attraction, and my favorite way to use this particular pattern is to use subtle prints, not big prints, just because of the way there's a lot of movement going on when you're flipping back and forth between your colors. So each block includes all 3 colors. It's great for the modeled fabrics or for small prints. Okay, Midnight in Paris. Number 1 fabric is this lovely aqua. The number 2 is sort of a gray, kind of with a little bit of blue undertone. And see what I mean by the street light and the pooling lights? I just made it up. I'm assuming that's what they were thinking too whenever they designed the fabric. And then the number 3, once again, all identical prints, just different colors. 8021403. Midnight in Paris. Attraction is your pattern. It's available in the Easy Peasy book. All right, the next one is using one of my favorite patterns. This one's called Byzantine Door. It has a big block, so it really shows off your prints. But oh, love, love, love this one too. It's hard for me to say I've ever met a quilt I didn't love, especially when it's made with one of my patterns and fabric that I've picked out. I guess I love them all. So I picked my favorites. Here's your number 1 fabric, number 2, and your number 3. Let's put that one up here and show you this. This one's called Summerset Blues. And it is a gorgeous, gorgeous print. So this is your number 1. That's going to go in your number 1 spot. Then you have 2 remaining fabrics. You want to compare these two. This one will go in your number 2 spot, and your number 3 spot is here and in your border. So this one is going to be absolutely gorgeous. I know you're going to want to be one of the first ones to know about this one. 8021442 is the kit number. Summerset Blues. Byzantine Door is your pattern. It is available as an individual pattern or in our book, Quick and Easy 3-Yard Quilts, which is a download-only book. If you do choose that as your free book when you buy 3 kits, then we will send you a code so you can download the book. Now the next one, we have been anxiously awaiting this fabric to show up. It is just such a fun kind of a Civil War look. I love, love, love this one. And it has the big block, and then it has your alternating block here that's made with that mustardy color. I love that. So let's put that one up here. And this one is called Prairie Dreams. And we continue to expect this one at any time. So here's our number 1 fabric. It goes here. The number 2 fabric is this great mustardy color fabric. It goes right here. And then the 3rd fabric is this one, and it's going to go here in the border and also on your, well, no, it's the border, and then it's your accent color here. All right, this one is called Prairie Dreams 8021121. Modern Charm. Quick as a Wink is the book that Modern Charm is in. It's not available as an individual, so the alternate pattern that we are suggesting is called Heartland. Now, I hope you enjoyed getting to see a little behind the scenes, things that we've been working on and doing just for you. As soon as that fabric comes in, you will be able to take advantage of it. Again, here's the way you do that. You'll visit fabriccafe.com. You'll search for your kit number or the name of the kit, and then you click the email me when this is back in stock, and we will let you know by sending an email immediately when we put the inventory online. So this is Donna Robertson. Remember, we have 7 different books in print. Each book is written with 3 different sizes. You get a lap quilt with 1 kit, you'll get a twin with 2 kits, and you'll get a king queen when you have 4 kits. So this is a great way for you to make quilts that are fun and fast. So be sure to check it out. Subscribe by clicking on the button below, and then right beside that button is a bell, and that will notify you. If you click that, you'll get a notification every time we do a new video. So have a great day, and stay tuned for more great quilts coming up from Fabric Cafe.